The weather outlook is cloudy and mild with outbreaks of rain. Welcome news for those travelling. It's not stormy, but I'm not the bearer of the best news if you were hoping for a white Christmas.
Plus, we've got
positive so far, Laura. You are looking Barclay this morning.
Thank
Is that
you.
to offset any disappointment?
it's a rainbow.
I'd like to say that, I've been doing no new clothes for the whole year, so my final outfit a hired dress, and we shall continue into next year, Kate.
Oh, you're going to keep going?
But yeah,
Brilliant.
it's distracting from... I'd just like to say, in case anybody was wondering, a month ago, you asked me, Ed, and I should still say...
about it.
No. Doesn't just pad my time a little while we sort of go into it. So I think the big thing is, what does it take to be a white Christmas? And amazingly, it's just one flake of snow falling anywhere in the 24 hours of Christmas Day. So that happens quite often, mostly across the high ground of Scotland. We see the odd flake of snow. We saw that last year. Technically a white Christmas, last Christmas in Scotland. The last time we had no snow was just a few years ago, 2019. This year, it is not just set to be not a white Christmas, it's set to be exceptionally mild. The mildest Christmas on record, 15.6, but this year we're looking at 13 or 14 degrees. So this year it is not a white Christmas, but it's certainly set to be a grey one. So I am sorry to disappoint for those who would love a white Christmas, but I think if you have travel plans, this is probably the best weather you can expect because high pressure sits close by and it takes the weather fronts away so we don't have stormy conditions. Mostly wet weather is reserved for the far northwest of Scotland, but for everyone else, the outlook is cloudy, grey, with...
Tell me, Laura, why am I giving away £105,300?
So I've been calculating whether it's divided by 52 weeks of the year, divided by 365. I divided by 52 as well and didn't figure it out. Good morning to you. This year is set to be a grey Christmas, not a white one. But I guess the good fortune is the fact it's not set to be stormy. So we've heard about how busy the roads are set to be, travel disruption across some rail networks. So if you are travelling, the fact that high pressure is dominant, well, the Carol concert will have you feeling festive because the weather certainly won't. One thing lots of people are hoping for, a white Christmas. And a white Christmas is when you just have one flake of snow falling at any time in the 24 hours of Christmas Day. It happened last year with an odd flake of snow across Scotland. The last time we had no snow was 2019, and it's going to be one of those years. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Now, if you were hoping for a white Christmas this year, I'm here to disappoint you. It is set to be grey and mild. It's because high pressure sits across the country. Southwesterly flow brings in mild air, but it will be largely dry, albeit pretty cloudy. And that's certainly true for today. Overcast, grey, dull, damp and drizzly. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. It is Christmas Eve. The big question is, it's set to snow? And the answer, unfortunately, is no, the bearer of bad news. But if you are travelling over the next few days, I can offer you largely dry conditions and very mild weather as well. So it is grey, dull, damp and drizzly, and exceptionally mild, 10 degrees warmer this morning than it was yesterday morning. A lot of cloud, rain for the northwest of Scotland and drizzly in the west, and highs today 14, maybe 15 degrees. Skies clear for Santa Claus overnight tonight and mild start, and Christmas Day is looking grey, not white, I'm afraid. Oh, well
done. Karen, look at them there. There's Laura, a slightly strange onesie, the waggly ears, and the whole gang are absolutely there. Just brilliant, absolutely brilliant.